So this is my intercultural project. I'm trying to get the screencast to work. I think it's working now. Um, I have chosen to create an intercultural program with the theme "Tell about your season." I've chose this because the season of the year is something children know about and have different experiences with, especially when using e-twinning to cooperate with another school on the other side of the planet, where the seasons can be totally different from what we know in Denmark. The idea by using e-training is to motivate the pupils to want to tell about their world with the expectation of learning the differences in other countries. What we think we know about winter could be totally different in, for example, South America, where it is warm in December. Um, So the program is my target group is sixth grade, so the pupils will be around 11 to 12 years old. Um, it's 8 lessons over 4 days, so it's 2 lessons each day. The theory I have been using for creating this program has been the article lesson preparation. Um, it gives a great picture of how to prepare a program in generally, um, yeah, and how to prepare lessons in general. I also used Liticode and Scarino, um, and their theory about the multi-voiced classroom and more. And I have used Hele Verden i Skole.dk and Iben Jensen, Grundbog i Kulturforståelse. For example, the theory about how students have a background knowledge. In this case, it would be the background knowledge about the seasons and in the students' own experiences. Sorry about the technique. Okay, so this is my lesson plan. I have used the Schmidt model because I think it's an easy way to plan a lesson and a program, more lessons of course. Um, we can start with the preparation for the teacher. This I have been doing together, so it's not the preparation for each lesson, it's the preparation in general. So the teacher must know about other parts of the world with other seasons. Very important to know what you're talking about. And then it's important to be out in good time to prepare and find each winning partner and get them to create a video presentation to work with. The national curriculum I have been using for this project have been, or for these 2 lessons, have been eleven har viden om anvendelse af baggrundsviden. Eleven kan udveksle enkle forberedte informationer om faktuelle emner. Eleven kan indgå i en enkel spontan samtale om kendte emner. Eleven kan udveksle synspunkter om kendte emner og situationer. Eleven kan kort tale om egne oplevelser, ønsker og drømme. Each lesson starts with an introduction of what we are going to do today, so the students know what the expectation is and what they are going to do. Furthermore, I'm letting them know what the goals are, so they know where to work against or where to move at. We are starting with the talking in class about the seasons in general, like how many months are in a year, what month are winter, summer, spring, autumn, what makes winter special, how does it look, what are you wearing in these different seasons. This is using the multi-voice classroom, as I said, Liticode and Scarino are talking about, to get as many aspects as possible. Then the months are being written on the blackboard, and then the pupils are coming up to write their name at that month, which is their birthday. So all the students who wrote on in the winter season month, they are in one group, and so on. So I'm probably getting 4 groups, maybe more, depending on how many winter kids and so on we have. Um, yeah. Then they are getting a big picture or big piece of paper to create their own picture and draw their own season. So, for example, the winter group, has to draw a landscape with winter on. So they have to communicate something with winter on their picture that day. In the next day, the next 2 lessons, of course, we're having a summary of what we did the last day, and then they are time to finish their pictures before they're gonna present them in class, around 10 minutes each group. Um, After the presentation, they uh, they are gonna talk about other countries with different seasons. So I'm asking in class if anyone knows other countries with different seasons and different culture or climate. Um, I have an example, Nicaragua, uh, which is a tropical um, climate. So they kind of like have two seasons. It's rain season or it's dry season. Um, and of course, we're using a map to show where country is. The national curriculum for this 2 lessons is: eleven kan skrive enkle informerende tekster, eleven kan skrive forståeligt og sammenhængende på engelsk, eleven kan give eksempler på forskelle, ligheder mellem kultur og samfundsforhold i eget land og i engelsksprogede områder. Yeah. I end every day with a short assessment. So, what did we learn today? How far did we get? And what are we going to do next time? The third day, the national curriculum is: eleven kan fortælle om kulturelle forskelle og ligheder i enkle kulturmøder. Eleven kan indgå i enkle forberedte kulturmøder. Eleven kan deltage i udveksling af enkel information og produkter med elever i udlandet. Eleven kan med forberedelse og støtte bruge engelsk til internationale henvendelser. So again, we are starting with a summary from last time. What did we make and what did we learn? And of course, what are we going to do today? We're starting with watching a video presentation from an eTwinning school, the eTwinning school that I have prepared and have been in contact with. They are of course watching the video to show another culture with the different seasons. The pupils are taking notes for the video, and afterward they are in groups discussing similarities and differences from their own picture, what they draw and what they are trying to communicate. For example, the winter, how is that in Denmark, and how is that in the new video presentation from the eTwinning school. After they found the nouns and the similarities and the differences, they are going to create their own video presentation with the picture and of course include all group members. After they did their video presentation, they're going to upload it at eTwinning for the other eTwinning school to watch. As usual, we are doing the short assessment for the day and what we're going to do the next day. The last day they are watching the videos that they made. It's very important that they can respect each other and not laugh. So yeah, so they can listen and learn about their videos and of course give feedback to each other. Um, Now they are creating a map that I brought. It's a big map, so they can draw in it and cut out magazine pictures of nouns. So that could be a snowman or a palm tree or something um, to glue at the picture or the map. Um, yeah. Finally, they are going to log on eTwinning to start a chat with the other eTwinning school and chat about their videos and making other questions, of course. And that's what they are going to use the last lesson for. Finally, we're doing a assessment, general evaluation of the program. What have they learned and what have been good and what have been less good. Um, yeah, and that's actually my program. So that was Tell About Your Season program. I'm going to upload it at eTwinning now and of course on the portal. And thanks for watching.